Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can on and off the flashlight or the torch at the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Yeah, that's pretty easy. So just scroll down here from top and then you will have here the most white toggle. That's the flashlight or the torch. Just on it like this, and if you want to off it, tap it again. But there's another thing you should know about, so something pretty nice. So if you scroll down a second time right now, you will have below the icon here of the flashlight or the torch, the written word torch or flashlight. Just tap on the written word and now you can change the brightness level here. Just turn on the flashlight and now you can increase the brightness level and it's much better later. So just go on done, and whenever you use now the torch or the flashlight, you have the most brightest one. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.